Welcome aboard this stunning Sunseeker 68 Manhattan, a true masterpiece in luxury, innovation, and custom design. Let's take a closer look at some of the details specified by the Sun Country design team that truly make this yacht a one-of-a-kind. Starting with the hull color. The exterior boasts a fully custom paint job with a seamless finish that extends from the hull all the way up to the hardtop, making this yacht stand out from the moment you lay eyes on it. Here on the flybridge, we find a spacious, L-shaped seating area, the first 68 Manhattan we've spec'd with a built-in dining area. Not only does it provide plenty of room for entertaining, but it also incorporates clever storage solutions beneath, ensuring every inch of space is functional. Step inside and you're greeted by a bright and airy atmosphere thanks to the solid silver oak wood interior throughout. This finish amplifies the natural light, accent lighting, and chrome detailing throughout, creating an open, inviting space to relax and unwind. Every detail has been considered in this build, including these custom stone countertops with luxurious gold veining, which are complemented by the gold hardware featured throughout the galley and heads on board. It's this level of attention to detail that works to elevate this entire space. At the helm, you'll find custom seating on the port side, offering comfort and style for the captain and their guests. Every aspect of this yacht has been tailored for a perfect balance of luxury and practicality. The salon features our first use of the high-low dining table in this space, versatile enough to suit any occasion. Lower it for casual coffee setting, or raise it for an elegant dining experience. It's perfect for a dynamic life at sea. This Sunseeker 68 Manhattan also boasts a custom Pacific Edition floor plan, which Sun Country worked closely with the Sunseeker team to bring to life. This floor plan optimizes the living and entertaining areas on the main deck while providing a spacious, comfortable, and relaxing master suite below. In addition to 3 staterooms and 3 full heads, the 68 Manhattan also offers a private entrance to crew quarters, which are thoughtfully designed, ensuring the crew has comfortable accommodations while remaining fully equipped to handle all of your needs on board. A yacht that combines innovation, custom design, and unparalleled luxury, the Sunseeker 68 Manhattan was already a floating masterpiece, and this meticulously executed spec is truly in a league of its own. We look forward to welcoming you aboard soon.